you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Briana back in another video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime haul. This is the first time ever, so I'm super excited. I never showed y'all my slime. Well, I never really had slime. I just made slime, but I am obsessed with slime. So the first slime, oh, I'm sorry guys. So anyways, the first slime that we have is pineapple. As you can see, let me try to take the pineapple out. It has a little pineapple. I can't really get it out because it's now stuck. Let's open up the next one. I'm pretty sure this one is peach. Yep, it's peach. All right, so we're gonna roll it to a ball. I'm obsessed with this one. All right, this is peach. So let's open. Ugh. Right, so this is peach slime. I know it says butter slime, but what they mean by that is how it feels like butter. All right, let's take it out. Oh, it's so hard. Wow. It smells weird. Look at the color. Oh my, guys, this is so cool. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10. So we're going to put a little rainbow maybe. Or I could put it in the little pearls. Hold up. Yeah, let's just put nothing in it, because honestly, I can't find a peach. And I want to dig in it, you know. Hold up. Really quick. So we got, alright, so we're going to put a little thing. No. Get out. I'm sorry, y'all. But this is all the materials we can put in the slime. So I'm gonna pick orange stuff like this little ball. If y'all can't see it, I'm sorry. Ow! Let's put some orange stuff in it, like a carrot or like a orange thing or cantaloupe. Oh, I just accidentally blew it. Let's put some more stuff. Like this pineapple. All right, now we are going to mix. Oh my, this is so satisfying. Oh my goodness. So satisfying. All right, gotta put this back in for now so that way we won't lose it. Okay. And we're also gonna put this one back. Let me get the thing. All right. Squish it in there. Oof. Let me see if I could put like a yellow thing also in there. So going to put little lemons and can you see this? Hold up, y'all, and voila, there we go. Let me squish it in there more so we can really stir it. And voila. You make whole slime look even. All right, let's just leave it like that. Next we have is I feel like this will be grape. So this is grape. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is grape. I smell it. I even smelled the peach and I smelled the pineapple. Yep, this is grape because I smell it. I smell it. Oh my goodness. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. So what should we put in it? How about a little bear? Give it something special. Let's try to look for something purple. Oh, here's grape. Here's a grape. 1, 2. Oh, here's a peach. Dang it, I couldn't put in the slime. Oh, we need to open the slime. Let's put some more stuff real quick. Let me get the peach. And, oh, no, where's the peach? Just saw it. Here it is. And there we go. Now, we're gonna put some more stuff inside. We got the grapes. Gonna put a little bit, some more grapes. If they have any more. We're gonna put little ping pongs. I'm not even blowing on you, I'm just talking. Got it. Now we're gonna mix. Mix, mix, mix. So satisfying. Yep, this is great. Because I literally smell it. I couldn't smell the other slimes as much, but I knew it was those flavors. Alright, let's put it back in. Oh my goodness, so hard. Oh my goodness. Alright, anyways, next time we got Oreo. You can tell because it has Oreos on it. So it's Oreo. And you can tell because it also has, it's probably also cookies and cream. Yep, it's cookies and cream. This one is like fruit slime, pineapple, peach, grape. Smell like butter, like now this one actually has stuff in it, I think. Yep, it has little black things in it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like cookies and cream, actually. This smells so good. Now this is gonna be also my favorite one. This is making me feel hungry. So cool. Gonna be my thumbnail. Ooh, it even has those little things. That's so cool. It's so satisfying. Oh my goodness. So satisfying. Alright. We're going to put that in. Next is, let's see what this is. I think this is green apple. We're gonna see if it's green apple or not. Maybe it's lime. I can't really tell. Hold up. Let's smell again. It smells like green apple. So it's probably green apple. So it's such a pretty color. I love the green. I love the green color. So satisfying. Let's put some, so we're gonna put a kiwi. I know y'all can't see it, so I'm sorry. We're gonna put avocado. Dang it. No, no, no. Get it out, get it out. There we go. Then we're gonna put a little lime. I'm not really sure what this is. Yeah, I'll get what that is. Gonna put some more stuff. Gonna put this also. It's the same thing, but you know. Right. And that's the slime. Oh my gosh. No wonder they call it butter slime, because it feels like butter. I love the feeling of butter. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's get to the next slime. All these slimes smell so good. Smells good. This one looks like it should be. We'll see once we smell it. Oh, this is mint. Oh, it smells like mint. Oh my, it smells so good. Let's see if we got any mint in here. I won't see any mint. But oh my gosh, it smells like mint. Yes, the feeling. I'm not gonna put anything in it because it doesn't really have decorations that matches with the color. There's nothing in there that represents the color, so let's just get to the next slime. This one, strawberry. Or the other one, strawberry. This probably pink lemonade. I don't know. I'm just guessing. This is watermelon. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love watermelon. Now this is gonna be my favorite. This. Almost all of them are gonna be my favorite. I'm surprised it doesn't say strawberry on it. I meant watermelon. Now this one is strawberry. Definitely is. I'm gonna show y'all. I wonder what the other ones are. The other one probably blueberry. Let's see what this one is. It's strawberry. You can. This is strawberry. Oh yes. Wait, I forgot to open it. Gotta put a little. I know it's supposed to be a, you know, watermelon, but it doesn't represent the color, so gotta put watermelon here and in here. Gotta put little strawberries, watermelons. Get out, and I don't even know what this is, but I just gotta do it to represent the color. Oh, this is dipped, whatchamacallit? Gotta put some, didn't even blow on you. Alright, that's the slime. Ooh, feels good. Alright, I'm gonna close this. And we are going to open that one again, so the little pink strawberries in it. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, we're also gonna put this in. I don't really want it in, but let's just put it in. We're gonna put little. The slime. I don't really like the thing. But we're just gonna do it to represent the color. Done with this one. Done with this one. we're done with this one. Okay, we're just gonna put them aside. We're done with this one. Pretty sure. We're done with. Okay, we're done with that one. We're also done with. No. Let me just check. Yeah, I guess we're done. Alright. Also done with that. Alright, next. This is blue raspberry. It's either blue raspberry or blueberry. Let's just. Let me see this. I can't really tell. Wait. Oh, it's blue raspberry. I love all my slimes. Oh. Wonder what that is. I didn't see that in there before. We're gonna put a little there. Now we're gonna put little blue things. That's all they have? Oh, it matches with the lollipop. Now I get it. It's a little blue thing. Hold on. There. So, yep. Alright. Oh, I don't know why my foot did that. Gee. Aren't you just like so obsessed with slime and you can't stop playing with it? That's definitely me. Even though I don't really buy slime that much, I just never thought of it because one time I was making my own slime, right? And I threw it on the wall, and then I threw it on the top of the shelf. And I bet it's still stuck on there. But we have the last one. Last one. Let's see what this one is. Chocolate. We'll see. Eat. Right? Oh, oh. Smooth like butter. Come on, just come out. I can't really tell. It smells like soap. I don't know, but it feels good and so satisfying. We're gonna put this little ice cream, even though it doesn't really represent the color. We're just gonna put it in anyway. And we're gonna hide it in there. There we go. We're gonna go back to the blue and then put the little mermaid thing in it. Should I? No, I think we're gonna put the green. Cause it's like all mixed up. So let's put the little mermaid tail in there. Oh, look at that bubble. Sorry, Bubble, but you can't be here right now. And how about we just put the thing in the Oreo? Heck no. Well, let's put this in the rainbow. There we go. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that was the end of my slime haul. If you want me to do more hauls, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.